Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Talks, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Ava.
Hello, Ava, and hello to all our friends at home, in the car, or maybe at the gym. I am Ryan. It is so good to be here with you today.
It is, Ryan. I am feeling very energetic today. I had a big breakfast and a very delicious tea. How are you doing?
Well, Ava, to be honest, I am a little bit frustrated
Frustrated? Oh no, why?
because I am trying to learn a new language. I'm practicing my Spanish, and it feels so slow. I study and I study, but I feel like I'm standing still. I want to go faster.
I understand that feeling. Many of our listeners feel the same way about English. They want to move fast, like a race car, but they feel like they are walking.
Exactly. I want the turbo button for my brain. Is there a turbo button, Ava?
Well, there isn't a button, but there are smart shortcuts. And that is our topic today, how to learn English faster.
Wow, I need this. I am sitting here with my ears open and my pen ready.
That's the spirit. But wait, before we give away our secrets, we have to ask our friends for a little help.
You're right. Everyone, if you want to help our channel grow, please click the like button right now. It only takes 1 second.
And please subscribe to Everyday English Talks. We love seeing our community get bigger every single week. It makes us so happy.
And share this video. If you have a friend who says English is too slow, send them this episode.
Okay, Ryan, are you ready for secret number 1?
I am ready. I am born ready.
Okay, tip number 1, the 15-minute rule.
15 minutes? That is very short, Ava. I usually study for 3 hours on Saturday.
That is the mistake. Studying for 3 hours once a week is like eating a giant meal on Monday and nothing for the rest of the week. You will get sick and then you will be hungry.
That is a funny image. So my brain gets hungry for English?
Yes, your brain needs English every day to remember it. If you study for 15 minutes every morning, your brain stays warm.
Ah, like a car engine. If I start the car every day, it runs perfectly. If I leave it for a week, it might not start.
Exactly. 15 minutes of listening or reading every day is much faster than 5 hours once a week. It's about consistency.
Consistency, doing it again and again. I like that. I can find 15 minutes. I can do that while I drink my coffee.
Perfect. Now, tip number 2 is a fun one. I call it labeling your life.
Labeling my life? Do I need to buy a label maker?
You can just use small pieces of paper and tape. Look around your room right now, Ryan. What do you see?
I see a window, a door, a desk, and my favorite chair.
Okay, write window on a piece of paper and tape it to the window. Write door and tape it to the door.
Oh, I see. So every time I go to open the door, my eyes see the word D-O-O-R.
Yes, you don't have to study. You are just living your life, and your brain is collecting the words.
That is genius. I can do that for the kitchen, too. Fridge, spoon, plate.
Yes, but maybe don't put a sticker on your dog. He might not like it.
No stickers for the dog, but stickers for the mirror?
Yes, put a sticker on the mirror that says, I am handsome, in English.
I like that tip very much. My confidence will go up and my English will go up.
Exactly. Okay, tip number 3, stop translating in your head.
But Ava, that is so hard. My brain naturally wants to think in my first language and then change it to English.
I know it's hard, but it is the biggest slowdown in the world. It's like a traffic jam in your brain.
The traffic jam. Yes, I feel that. The words are stuck.
To go faster, you must connect the object directly to the English word. When you see an apple, don't think of the word in your language. Just think apple.
So, Apple equals red fruit, no middleman.
Exactly. No middleman. Start with small things. Look at your hand and say, hand. Look at the sky and say, sky. Cut out the translation and your speaking speed will double.
I am going to try that. Sky, hand, coffee. It feels faster already.
It really works. And tip number 4 is my favorite. Be a parrot.
A parrot? Squawk like a bird?
Yes, when you listen to this podcast or a movie or a song, don't just listen, repeat what we say immediately. Use the same voice, the same speed, and the same emotion.
So if you say, I am very happy today, I should say, I am very happy today, exactly like you.
Yes, don't worry about the grammar rules. Don't ask, why is the am there? Just copy the sound.
Like a song.
Exactly. Children learn languages fast because they are perfect parrots. They don't have grammar books, they just copy their parents.
I am a big parrot. How's it going, Ava?
It's going great, Ryan. See, that was perfect.
Wow, we covered a lot. My 15 minutes of coffee time, my stickers on the door, no middleman translation, and being a parrot.
And there is one last tip, Ryan, and it is the most important one.
I am listening. What is it?
Don't be afraid to be wrong.
Oh, I hate being wrong. I feel silly when I make a mistake.
I know, but mistakes are like speed bumps. If you are too afraid of them, you will never drive the car.
That is true. If I don't speak because I'm afraid, I learn nothing.
Exactly. If you say, I goes to shop instead of I go to the shop, it's okay. People still understand you. The more you speak, the faster you get.
So being messy is okay?
Being messy is necessary. A fast learner makes 100 mistakes a day. A slow learner makes 0 mistakes because they never speak.
Wow, I want to make 100 mistakes today.
That's the spirit, Ryan. You are going to be a master in no time.
I feel much better now. Learning English isn't a mountain. It's just a series of small, fun steps.
It really is. Should we do a quick recap for our friends?
Yes, let's do it. The 15-minute rule. Study a little bit every day. Label your life. Use stickers for things in your house. No middleman. Stop translating. Connect words directly to objects. Be a parrot. Copy the sounds and the emotions of English speakers. Make mistakes. Speak as much as you can, even if it's not perfect.
That is a perfect summary, Ryan.
Thank you, Ava. I feel like my turbo button is finally working.
I'm so glad. And now we have a question for our amazing listeners.
Oh, yes. Friends, tell us in the comments, which of these tips are you going to try today?
Are you going to put stickers on your fridge? Are you going to be a parrot? Tell us in English.
We love reading your comments. It is our favorite part of the day.
It really is. Well, I think that's all the time we have for today.
Time flies when you're having fun and learning fast.
It does. Thank you for listening, everyone. You are doing a great job.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.